Hello and welcome. This is Mudasir Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about 3D scale and 3D align commands. So let's get started. First we will learn about 3D scale. I will just go here in modify panel and you can see this is the icon for 3D scale option. I will click here to activate this one, then I will select that object that I want to scale. Okay, I will select this one and then I will hit enter. Now here you can see it is asking about specify base point, so I can specify this point as a base point. Now you can see here it is going to give me a directions as x direction, y direction and z direction. Let me select this one, z direction. I will click here. Now I can scale this object. You can see I'm just pulling this mouse upward. Now it is going to scale. Okay, it is going to big, and now if I want to just small, I can just pull downward. Okay, you can see here, or I can just give scale factor as well. If I just want to just give a scale factor of 1.5 unit, 1.5, I will hit enter. You can see here this is the object that we get here. Again, I just give you one more example for copy. I will just go here, okay, to activate 3D scale. I will just select this one. I will hit enter and I can specify any of the point as base point. I will click here. I will click here on Z axis. Now here at command line you can see there is one more option, that is copy. So I will just enter a value of C. Okay, I will hit enter. Now I can just give any of the value. For example, I need copy of half of this object, so I will just give a value of 0.5 and I will hit enter. Now let's just go into the 2D wireframe and now you can see here a copy. Okay, this is the half of this object, so I can move it from here to here. So this was what copy option. So in this way you can scale the object. Now let's see another command, that is 3D align. This is the option for 3D align. I will click here to activate this one. Then I will just select that particular object that I want to align. For example, I want to just align this pyramid on top of this box. I will select this object. I will hit enter. Now it is asking about what will be the base point. So I will give this point as a base point. Now again it is asking about specify second point. So I have to specify this point as a second point. Now it is asking about third point, so I will give this point as a third point. Now in destination where I want to place this object, I will just give first point. Okay, this is first quadrant, then second point and then third point. So this is what align command is all about. Now I just want to align this cone on the top of this cylinder. Okay, so I will just activate this command from here. I will select this one. I will hit enter. Now it is asking same about base point, so I will give this point as a base point, then second point and then third point. Now I will just give first point on destination, this point, then second point and then third point. Okay, now you can see it is on the top of this. Let's change this visual style to a realistic. I will click here. You can see it is on the top and it is also on the top. So this is how you can align the object in 3D. So these were two commands. One is 3D scale and another is 3D align. I hope you understand both of these. I will see you in the next.